Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best compound bows reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Bear Archery Brave Bow Set for the Youth. We featured a Bear Archery adult bow earlier in this article, and now it's time for a youth offering with the Brave Bow Set. I don't think the name has anything to do with the movie Brave, but I'm also sure that Bear Archery doesn't mind the association. Right off the bat, you'll see that Bear Archery recommends this as a set for children ages 8 and older, and obviously at some point they will outgrow this bow, as it's not one of the models that can be adjusted up forever even into adulthood. Features. Overall, the Brave package is probably the best for young archers between 7 to 10 just getting started with archery. It does offer some key features. Arrow rest. This first feature is kind of amazing for a bow package at this price level. It includes a whisker biscuit arrow rest. This is an item that's going to cost around $25 if you went out and bought it separately, so based on this alone, you have a nice quality accessory for your child to use right away. Arrows. The Brave package includes 2 glass arrows as well. These are safety items and aren't the highest quality, but they do give you something right out of the box to go ahead and use your bow with. Quiver. Along with this bow package, you also get a basic quiver that can hold up to 4 arrows. This is a basic idea but does just fine for the needs here. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bear Archery Cruzer G2 Adult Compound Bow. Looks great, shoots better. Bear Archery is one of the heavyweights in the industry. They're really one of the best bow brands out there, and this compound bow is an absolute champ. It comes with a hefty price tag, but I think it comes with what you need to justify that big price. The Cruzer is ready to roll basically as soon as you buy it, which is a nice perk. The Cruzer is extremely smooth when shooting and, due to the stabilizer they added, it fires without noise or vibration. One thing I haven't mentioned yet is how adjustable the Cruzer is. It's got settings to take you from 5 pounds all the way up to an almost intimidating 75 pounds. At 75 pounds, you've really got an option that is probably one of the best compound bows for hunting. Limb bolts and Allen wrenches get the job done easily here, and even with this impressive bow, it's simple to adjust. Features. Bear Archery has done a great job of packing a premium bow with premium accessories. The price point may seem a bit high, but when you factor in everything you're getting here, it makes sense. Number 3. Our third best pick is Diamond Archery Infinite Edge Pro Bow Package, the full package. The Diamond Archery Infinite Edge is one of the most popular bows on the market. There's a reason for that, as Diamond Archery is extremely talented when it comes to making the top compound bows out there. You can tell that this is a really high-quality package because of the nice features that have a higher quality than some of the entry-level offerings in the industry. The Infinite Edge Pro is actually a very forgiving bow, and that's great for starters who need to feel that confidence in their shot. The draw length can be adjusted anywhere between 13 inches and 31 inches, offering quite a wide range. They say that anyone can shoot this bow, but that tends to be true due to the fact that you can adjust the draw weight anywhere from between a mere 5 pounds all the way up to 70 pounds without a problem. I can't state enough how impressive that is. Features. The Infinite Pro package really has a lot going for it to give you everything you need for an awesome experience. 3-pin Tundra sight and tube peep sight. These 2 sights work to make aiming just as easy as it can be. It may require some setup, which can be a bit of a challenge for a beginner, so you may want to ask for help. The Tundra sight has fiber optic lines, which most say fit the need and is a pretty cool feature for this bow. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Southland Archery Supply SAS Scorpii 55 lb 29 inches compound bow. Bang for your buck. The Scorpii, interesting name, is a compact compound bow that makes it good for both adults and younger archers, like teens. This is a very affordable compound bow, and I like what Southland Archery has to offer here. The the Scorpii does do a good job with where it's at in the marketplace. It may not be quite as cheap or quite as quality as some people will go for. I do believe that, at the 55-pound weight, it would be one of the best bows for deer hunting because of its ease to take out into the fields. Features. The Scorpii is only available for right-handers for now, and it will come preset with its settings turned, all the way up, which is at the 55 draw weight setting. 7-year limited warranty. Southland Archery Supply covers this bow for 7 years with a limited warranty. This is up to their determination, but if it occurs during normal wear and tear, you should be covered. That means that Southland expects this to be a very durable bow used over years, a plus for serious archers. Accessories kit. The optional accessories kit comes with most of what you would expect. It has an arrow rest, 2 different sights, 5-pin fiber and peep sight, stabilizer, and Allen wrenches to adjust weights and lengths. These accessories aren't the best but will do as you start out. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is iGlow 30 to 55 pounds Camo Archery Hunting Compound Bow. The iGlow, not related to Apple, has a very interesting offering here with this 30 to 55 lb model. This is a compound bow that wants to give you an affordable option, but it fails to compare to the best bows on the marketplace. Is it worth the money for a lower-end model? That may depend on your individual preferences, so let's go over the bow and see what you think. The iGlow feels really nice, and it's easy to adjust, but the extras are where this bow starts to lack. You don't have a quiver included with this model, and you are without a peep sight as well. Features. Currently, the iGlow is only for righties. The bow comes set to its maximum draw weight of 55 pounds, and it has a 19 to 29 inch draw length. Shooting. The iGlow has a really nice feel to it and shoots smoothly and accurately. Durability. One thing you can tell when holding the iGlow is that it's manufactured well. As we'll get into, the accessories don't do much for me, but the bow itself is well made, and you should feel strong and sturdy holding the iGlow. Value. This is a mixture of the first 2 bullet points here, but it's rare to find a bow that feels so good and can last for so long at this price level. Your spending money matters, and the iGlow is definitely built to compete on price. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.